Hey y'all, it's Andy. Y'all, let's cook some supper. We gonna be having grilled chicken tonight, so yay me with my new low fat. Not supposed to have any fried whatever. Figure I'll at least be good every once in a while and do some grilled chicken. So anyways, let's get started on it, and I will see y'all here in just a second. We have fire. Oh, alright y'all. Here is what we're cooking for suppers. Got us some boneless, skinless chicken breast. We're gonna use just a little bit of this here sriracha salt seasoning on there. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. About like that. So anyway, there we go. Now let's throw them on this here grill. There we go, y'all. Now, put a little more of that sriracha salt seasoning on the other side here. There we go. Now we're gonna shut her down and we're gonna let her cook for a while. The Bodog there behind me can smell the chicken cooking. So can the ash cat. He likes chicken also. Oh, alright y'all. Let's check on this here chicken. Ooh wee. That's looking good so far, y'all. Oh yeah. Ah! Chicken down, y'all. There we go. All right. We're gonna let those go for a little bit longer on that side and flip them again and see what they look like. I will see y'all then. You know, sitting here grilling, it just occurred to me. Folks who take care of chickens, or have chickens, myself included, are literally chicken tenders. What was the rapper 50 Cent called after he finished supper? 58. What did the boy cat say to the girl cat? You're purty. Yes, I know. Corny as all get out. Don't hate me, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let's flip her again and see what they're looking like. Oh yeah. I'd say that one right there is cooking the quickest. Alright y'all. Shut her down again. I'll check on them here in a little while. Alright y'all. I'm about to run out of light. But let's flip these one more time. See what they're looking like. Oh yeah, they still looking good. I do believe this little one is done. So we're gonna take that off, put it on a plate over here. And move these around just a little bit. There we go. And like I said, I am running out of light, so I will be back with y'all for the taste test when these here things are done. Alright y'all, I'm in the truck with a little bit of light, so let's try this here chicken. Yeah, I could have pulled it off sooner, but other than that, it's good. So, anyways, there it is, y'all. My healthy, low-fat grilled diet. Yay me. So, anyways, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all on the next video.